And sir, thank you. And what about you?
I'm great. Are you scared?
What, sir?
डरे हुए हो?
Yes, sir.
बोलिए yes, I'm scared.
Yes, sir. I am scared because I'm not a good English speaker.
You are not good English speaker. So why are you here? You are here to become good English speaker, na?
Yes, sir.
So if you don't speak, so how can you become a good English speaker?
I can do English practice and more speaking
And speak more.
and speak more. In this way, I improve my English.
I will improve my English.
I will improve my English.
So this is now you know that how you will improve your English language. Practice and speak. But you are scaring to stand here to practice and speak English language. So how will you become fluent in speaking?
I remove my hesitations and
How will you remove your hesitation?
how I speak more.
Okay. And I will face the people more.
I will face the peoples more.
Because if you really want to remove your hesitation and fear, so firstly you need to stand before the students or audience and public, na?
Yes, sir.
And you will have to face, you will have to try to speak. Then you will become good in speaking, na?
Yes.
For example, if I am hesitated and I am not confident to present myself in English and I am not standing to face the audience, how can I remove my hesitation? You will have to stand and face, na?
Yes, sir.
So this is important. So do you want to become fluent in speaking?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I want to fluent full English.
I want to become fluent in speaking.
I want to become fluent English speaker.
Okay. Do you want to improve your English?
Yes, I want to improve my English.
Okay. For what? For improving your English, what are you doing for it?
I will do practice.
What are you doing nowadays?
Nowadays I am joined Campus Institute.
I have joined campus, madam.
I have joined Campus Institute and I do more practice at my home.
Okay. Do you practice English at your home?
Yes, I practice English at my home.
Okay. With whom do you practice English?
With servers.
किससे आप practice करते हो? I practice English with my sisters, brothers, father and mother.
I will practice English. I practice English with my sister.
Okay, what is your sister's name?
My sister name is Somya.
Okay, now your voice is very impactful and you are speaking very good. Do you speak with your friends?
Yes, I speak English my friends.
With my friends.
With my friends.
Okay. Do you make eye contact with them?
Yes, I make contact.
Eye contact with them.
Yes, I.
Make eye contact.
Yes, I make eye contact them.
With them.
With them.
Okay. Do you converse with your friends in English?
Yes, I converse.
With my friends.
Yes, I converse with my friends.
Converse.
Yes, I converse with my friends.
In English.
In English.
Okay. How are you feeling here standing?
Now my feeling is very.
I feel hesitation here.
I feel hesitation here. I feel hesitation here.
Why? Now you are speaking like that, so you must have confidence. You should try to make eye contact him. Do you know her?
Yes, sir, I know her.
I know her.
Yes, I know her.
Look at her and now speak. I know her.
Sir, मैं बोलूँ I know her. I know her.
So do you know him?
Yes, I know him.
Okay. Now with this mic, how are you feeling?
My feeling is very nervous.
I'm very nervous.
I'm very nervous.
Okay. So this session is good for you or not?
This session is very good.
How? Why are you saying that this session is very good?
Because this session is improve my hesitations.
This session is to improve. This session is very fantastic because I can.
This session is very fantastic because I can improve my English and remove my hesitations
and fear.
And fear.
That's great. So do you think that this session will help you in this?
What, sir?
आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ये सेशन आपको इन सभी चीज़ों में मदद कर सकता है?
इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलूँ?
क्या बोलना? What do you want to speak?
ये आपने क्या पूछा था मुझसे?
मैंने बोला, do you think that this session will help you in this?
Yes, this session is
Will
yes, this session will helpful help me
in this.
in this.
Okay, okay. This is your first day of speaking.
Yes, my first day speaking.
Okay, now you're speaking and you're trying your best. So this is wonderful. Okay, now tell me something about your family. बोल.
सर ये आप ही पकड़ो.
ना पकड़ो.
So tell me about myself.
हाँ?
So
I'm going to tell something about myself. Edit नहीं होगा. ये क्या हो गया?
I'm going to something about myself.
I'm going to tell something about my family. Sorry, about myself and my family.
Now I'm going to something about myself.
I'm going to tell.
I'm going to tell something about myself. My name is Nisha. I am from Delhi. I have completed my 10th and 12th standard from Standard Board Secondary Education. Now I am doing BA first year from Maharaja Aggression. If I talk about my family background, generally I am belong to middle class family. My father's name Mr. Sharvan. He's doing business. My mother's name is Mrs. Babita. She's a housewife. I have two sisters.
Housemaker.
Yes, sir, a housemaker. I have two sisters and one brother. My hobbies are listening music and dancing.
Listening to music.
Listening to music and dancing. My future plans is to become join IS officer. So thank you.
Okay, you want to become an IS officer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what do you know about this course, this post?
This post is very powerful and sir बहुत ज़्यादा respect मिलती है.
And the people who become IS officer, they get more respect from family and society and the country. The people who become an IS officer,
The people
who
be-
become,
the people who become to
IS officer.
an IS officer to
they get
they get many respect, more respect like
from
society,
from their society
from their society, parents and friends
and country.
and country.
ये पेरेंट्स सिर्फ और फ्रेंड्स सिर्फ रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं, पूरी दुनिया रिस्पेक्ट करती है. Okay, do you know the process how to become an IS officer?
A little bit.
Not yet.
I know little bit IS officer process.
How to become IS officer? I know little bit process to become an IS officer.
सर प्रोसेस बताना है मुझे.
हाँ,
सर
how
उसके
to
लिए तो
become?
स्टडी करनी पड़ती है.
Now tell me how. This is not fair. Firstly, you need to do 12. What is the criteria? What is the age criteria? What is the height limitation?
तभी तो मैंने चॉइस किया है.
So there is no height limitation. Anyone
Yes.
can become. Okay, so now tell me the process of becoming an IS officer.
फर्स्ट सब मतलब कैसे स्टार्ट करूँ सर मैं कि पहले 10th पास करनी
Firstly,
है.
you need to
Okay.
qualify your 10th and 12.
Firstly, you need to completed 10th.
You need to complete.
You need to complete 10th and 12th standard, or and you have more knowledge for society and
Graduation is not necessary there. Graduation is compulsory, na?
सर दोबारा से बोलूं.
हाँ, yeah, of course. Hold this mic.
Firstly, completed 10th and
You have to complete.
Firstly, you have to complete 10th and 12th standard and graduation is compulsory in this exam.
For this
post IS officer and you have more knowledge.
you must have knowledge about
you
the
must-
society, country, state.
You must have knowledge for society and state and country, culture, many etc. Many.
Keep speaking. Now done. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now tell me, do you know the power of IAS officer? You don't have any idea about the power of IAS officer. You want to become that. For example, if I what? Why do you want to become an IAS officer?
I should नहीं वो तो
I
चलेगा।
want to.
हाँ, I want to respect,
I want to get respect.
I want to get respect and salary.
What is the salary of an IAS officer?
15 ही है ना शायद,
50,000?
56।
50 or 60,000. This is enough?
यस सर। और फ्लैट भी चाहिए ना मुझे।
लड़कियों को कुछ मिले ना मिले, घर चाहिए, गाड़ी चाहिए। जब ये भले बोलती क्या है लड़कियां कि भाई सब खाना थोड़ा कम खिलाओ, घर अच्छा दो और गाड़ी दे दो। जब ये दोनों मिल जाएगा तो बोलेंगे फिर अब खाना नहीं मिलेगा, तो बोलेंगे अब खाना के बिना कैसे चलेगा। मतलब सब कुछ चाहिए, कभी ये खुश नहीं रह सकती। किसी भी कुछ भी दे दो इन्हें, इनको कुछ भी लड़कियों को दे दो, कभी ये खुश हो ही नहीं सकती, क्योंकि इनका नेचर ही वैसा ही है कि ये इनको हर चीज़ दे दोगे ना तब भी किसी ना किसी चीज़ की कमी। अब
तो लाइफ होती है।
ये साड़ी खरीदने जाएंगे तो इस कलर में दूसरी साड़ी दिखाओ, नहीं इसी में का दूसरा कलर दिखाओ। अब ये खरीद भी लें, बहुत मुश्किल से कोई पसंद आ भी जाए, फिर उनको सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं रहता यार ये वाला ले लेती तो ठीक रहता, ये वाला। मतलब इनको खुशी नहीं होती चाहे कुछ भी कर लें। डू यू थिंक दैट ओनली 50 और 60K इज़ इनफ फॉर योर लाइफ?
सर मुझे सैलरी से कोई वो नहीं है, बस मुझे रिस्पेक्ट में कैसे
आई डोंट मेक एनी डिफरेंस विद एनी सैलरी।
आई वॉन्ट ओनली रिस्पेक्ट टू माई सोसाइटी एंड माई कंट्री।
झूठ बोल रही है ना?
नो सर।
IAS ऑफिसर बन के पावर दिखाना चाहती है और देख लो रिस्पेक्ट के लिए। मतलब लोग कितना झूठ बोलते हैं। वहाँ पे भी पूछते हैं व्हाई डू यू वांट टू बिकम एन IAS ऑफिसर? सर टू सर्व द नेशन। क्या बोलते हैं? टू सर्व द नेशन, टू सर्व द सोसाइटी।
और मुझे
तो
अपने मम्मी पापा का नाम करना है ना, इसीलिए।
तो वहाँ पे एक दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, देयर लॉट्स ऑफ वे टू सर्व द नेशन एंड द कंट्री एंड सोसाइटी, व्हाई हैव यू चूजन दिस फील्ड, व्हाई डू यू वांट टू बी? भाई साहब नेशन की खिदमत, ये कोई जवाब है? अगर IAS ऑफिसर बनने जा रहे हैं और आपसे पूछा जाए कि व्हाई डू यू वांट टू बिकम एन IAS ऑफिसर, और आप बोलते टू सर्व द नेशन, ये सही जवाब है?
फिर कैसे?
नेशन को मतलब देश के लिए करने के लिए तो आर्मी भी बन सकते हैं ना, है बन सकते हैं।
जान चली जाती है ना, उससे डर लगता है मुझे।
मतलब ही हो ना, फिर जान चली जाती, मरना नहीं है, लोग मरे।
नहीं।
लेकिन लड़की बिल्कुल सच बोल रही है, लेकिन लॉयल है, देख रहे हो। सो दिस इज नॉट गुड आंसर, दैट इफ एनीवन आस्क दैट क्वेश्चन दैट व्हाई डू यू वांट टू बिकम एन IAS ऑफिसर, सो यू आर टेलिंग एंड रिप्लाइंग दैट I want to serve the nation, I want to serve the society. This is not good. Just speak the truth. Speak the truth. Don't conceal the fact. If you speak the truth, the interviewer will judge you in this way. क्योंकि सभी को पता है कि आप क्यों बनना चाहते हैं, तो झूठ बोलने की कोई ज़रूरत, सीधे डायरेक्ट बोलो कि एक्चुअली आई वांट टू अर्न नेम एंड फेम। नहीं, सीधी बात, आई वांट टू गेट रिस्पेक्ट, आई लव पावर, बात ख़त्म। लेकिन अगर बोलेंगे टू सर्व द नेशन, ये सभी को पता ही है, बस ये यहीं पे बोल रहा है, बाकी सभी को पता है क्या। लेकिन जो सबको पता है वो जवाब दो, तो उसको भी लगेगा बंदा जेन्युइन आदमी, ईमानदार आदमी है, फेक कैरेक्टर, दो चेहरा नहीं रखा हुआ है कि बोल कुछ और है करना कुछ और है। सही जवाब दो, नहीं समझे, जो दिल में है, जिसके लिए बनना चाहते हो वो बता। सिलेक्ट हो गया तो ठीक है, नहीं हुए तो फिर से तैयारी करेंगे। ओके नाउ मैडम, दैट्स ग्रेट, हैव अ सीट मैम, थैंक यू। इतना अच्छा जवाब दिए फिर भी डर लग रहा है इसको खड़ा होने में।
I am fine, sir.
ओके, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Mehdi Hassan.
ओके, व्हाट्स योर फादर्स नेम?
My name is MD Ali Hassan.
व्हाट्स योर फादर्स नेम?
My father's name is MD Ali Hassan.
ओके, वेयर डू यू लिव?
I live in Bihar, sir.
बिहार?
Huh?
आई लिव इन बिहार।
I live in Bihar.
वेयर आर यू स्टेइंग इन दिल्ली नाउअडेज?
नीचे से
डर लग रहा है? स्पीक, इसमें बोलेंगे तभी तो आवाज़ आ जाएगी।
सर इसमें तो है नहीं कुछ।
वेयर आर यू स्टेइंग इन दिल्ली करंटली?
क्या सर, क्या बोल रहा है?
आजकल आप दिल्ली में मतलब कहाँ रह रहे हैं? आई एम स्टेइंग।
I am studying.
आई एम स्टेइंग।
I am staying
हाँ, कहाँ?
in
दिल्ली में कहाँ रहते हैं?
ये सर नाम भी भूल गए ये मदर डेयरी का आता है तो सर।
मदर डेयरी।
हाँ।
आई एम स्टेइंग एट मदर डेयरी इन
आई एम
दिल्ली।
स्टडिंग
आई एम स्टेइंग एट मदर डेयरी
एट मदर डेयरी
इन दिल्ली।
इन दिल्ली।
बताओ, नाम तक भूल जा रहे, इतना डर लग रहा है। इतना डरने की जरूरत
नहीं है।
नहीं है, डर के आगे भूत है, जीत नहीं। ठीक है सर। डू यू प्रैक्टिस इंग्लिश?
यस सर।
बोलिए यस सर, आई प्रैक्टिस इंग्लिश।
यस सर, आई प्रैक्टिस इंग्लिश।
ओके, डू यू स्पीक इंग्लिश इन योर रूम?
यस।
टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ. Hold this mic.
Hello, my name is Mehdi Hassan. I am 18 years old. I have 6 members. I study in my class 12th.
I study in 12th class.
I study in 12th class. I have 6 members
In my family.
in my family. My father name is MD Ali Hassan. My mother name is
And mother name is?
my mother name is Madina Khatun. And
How many siblings do you have? Siblings मतलब भाई बहन. How many
What?
siblings do you have? I have 5 siblings.
I have 5 siblings.
हाँ. Okay, now how many brothers do you have?
I have 4.
You have 4 brothers. बोलिए I have 4 brothers
I have 4 brothers
and 1 sister.
and 1 sister.
Do you love your father?
I love my father.
Speak in.
I love my father.
Do you love your mother?
I love you, mother.
I love you, mother. यही सब बता रहे हैं कैमरे माइक से. I love my mother.
I love my mother.
Okay. Whom do you love most in the world? सबसे ज़्यादा देश दुनिया में किससे प्यार करते हैं आप?
Mother.
I love my mom the most in the world.
I love my mom
the most in the world.
the most of the
In the world.
in the world.
Do you have confidence?
Yes, I have confidence.
Do you have money?
Yes, I have money.
पैसा है?
As
Are you confused? Confused? Are you confused?
no sir.
No, I'm not confused.
I am not confused.
बोलिए no sir.
No sir, I
I'm
am
not confused.
no sir, I am not confused.
Are you scary?
Are you?
क्या आप डरे हुए हैं?
No sir,
बोलिए I'm not scary.
I am not scared.
Are you horrified? क्या आप डरे हैं?
No sir,
I'm not horrified.
I am not horrified.
Do you have hesitation?
Yes, I have hesitation.
Really?
Yes sir.
Can you make eye contact with her?
Yes, I can.
Make eye contact with her?
Yes, I can make.
Eye contact with
I
her?
can.
Make eye contact with her. बोलो ना I can
Yeah.
make eye contact with her.
I can make contact her.
Eye contact
Eye contact
with her.
with her.
Okay, stand up, madam. Now stand. Now ask 2 or 3 questions to her. Ask. नाम हम पूछिए, क्या हाल है, कैसी हैं आप पूछिए.
What is your name?
My name is Subina.
कैसी हैं आप?
How are you? Yes, sir.
How are you? ये थोड़ा ना हमसे बोलो ना. How are you?
How are you?
I am fine. Thank
Confidence
you so
होके
much.
बोलो, eye
And what
contact
about
लगा
you?
के.
Good. I am good.
बोलिए how are you, madam?
How are you, madam?
I am good. Thank you so much. And what about you?
बोलिए I am also fantastic.
I am also fantastic.
हाँ?
I am.
क्या बोल रहे हैं? I'm also fantastic.
I am also fantastic.
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 हाँ बोलिए I am fantastic.
I am fantastic.
हाँ बोलो उनकी
I
आंखों
am
में देख के.
fantastic.
ओके, तो ऐसे ऐसे काम कर रहे हैं, सीधा खड़े रहे स्टॉक जैसे वो लड़की खड़ी है. अब उनसे पूछिए आप कहाँ रहते हो.
I live experience, sir.
वेयर से पूछेंगे ना, वेयर मतलब कहाँ होता है. बोलिए वेयर डू यू लिव.
Where do you live?
I live in Noida Sector 8. And where do you live?
नाम बोले हम सर.
हाँ आप बताओ कहाँ रहते हो.
कैसे बोले?
लड़की वहाँ खड़ी है, इधर सामने इनको देखो. बोलिए आई लिव इन बिहार.
I live in Bihar.
बहुत. चलिए बैठ जाओ मैडम. सर जी हेलो, कहाँ भाग रहे हैं. लड़कियों से आई कांटेक्ट नहीं बना पाते.
नहीं सर, ये लोचा हो जाता है
ये लोचा कर रहे हैं
सर।
ये तो और कंफर्टेबल करता है बात करने में, थोड़ा सा लगता है कि बात कर रहे हैं।
बल्कि सर इसको हमेशा यूज करे करता हूँ, पहली बार पकड़ा है।
अच्छा, पहली बार पकड़ा है। चलो ठीक हो जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं। हैव अ सीट सर। हाउ आर यू सर?
I am fine. And
व्हाट्स योर नेम?
my name is Ayush.
ओके, व्हाट्स योर फादर्स नेम?
My father name is Manish Kumar Sharma.
मनीष। ओके, व्हाट इज योर मदर्स नेम?
My mother name is Bhavita Sharma.
दोनों पैर पे खड़े रहेंगे, ठीक है? हाँ हाँ, हिले नहीं, एकदम स्ट्रेट। ओके, हाउ मेनी सिबलिंग्स डू यू हैव? कितने भाई बहन हैं? हाउ मेनी सिबलिंग्स?
तीन।
बोले आई हैव 3 सिबलिंग्स।
I have 3 siblings.
बोले आई हैव 3 सिबलिंग्स।
I have 3 siblings.
सिबलिंग्स।
Siblings.
आई हैव 3 सिबलिंग्स।
I have 3 siblings.
ओके, हाउ मेनी सिस्टर्स डू यू हैव?
2.
आई हैव 2 सिस्टर्स।
I have 2 sisters.
खुल के बोलो। How that means you are one brother?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Ayush.
Okay, this is your first day of speaking.
Yes, sir.
How are you feeling?
Nervous.
I'm feeling nervous.
I am feeling nervous.
Okay. Do you have confidence?
Yes, I have confidence.
Oh, do you practice English?
Yes.
Yes, I practice English.
Yes, I practice
तो
English.
कहाँ भाग रहे हो? Do you practice English?
Yes, I have practice English.
Yes, I practice English.
Yes, I practice English.
Do you speak English at your home?
No,
I don't speak English at my home.
I don't speak and
At my home.
at my home.
Why? Don't you practice English with your sister? क्या आप अपनी बहन के साथ इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते?
No, sir.
बोले I don't practice English with my sister.
I don't practice English with my sister.
my sister.
With my sister.
Your sister has learnt English language from campus.
Yes, sir.
So your sister speaks English. Why don't you try to speak with her to improve your English? You should try. Next time you go and speak English with her, because she has learnt English from campus, no? So speak English with her. Your English will be good. Okay, now tell me something about yourself. अपने बारे में बताइए.
My name is Ayush.
My name is Ayush, and after, hello friends. Today I am going to introduce myself here.
Hello friend, today I am
Going to introduce
going to
myself
introduce myself
here.
here.
My name is
My name is Ayush Kumar Sharma. Ayush Kumar.
हाँ आयुष कुमार. Qualification वगैरह? Qualification.
My qualification is 12th class. I have done
I have
12th class.
12.
I have done 12th.
You are pursuing graduation or you are waiting for your result?
Waiting for result.
बोलिए I am waiting for my result.
I am waiting for result.
Okay. Now speak something about your family. बोलिए I have.
I
How many
have-
members do you have in your family?
5.
I have 5 members in my
I have
family.
5 members in my family.
Do you belong to joint family or nuclear family? Nuclear मतलब single family.
Single.
I belong to nuclear family.
I belong to nuclear family.
Speak loudly. I belong to nuclear family.
I belong to nuclear family.
Okay, okay. What is your family background?
My family background, my father is businessman. My mother homemaker.
My mother is a homemaker.
My mother is a homemaker.
Okay, okay. आप बोल सकते हैं I belong to a middle class family.
I belong to middle class family.
I belong to a middle class family.
I belong to a middle class family.
That's great. Okay, now, do you think that you can make eye contact with girls? Do you
No.
feel hesitation with girls or you are comfortable with girls? For example, if I give you a chance to communicate with girls, so will you be happy? You have girls hesitation. Stand up, madam. Come here. Now just stand face to face. And now ask some question to her.
Hello.
Hello.
ऐसे बोले हेलो, फिर इनके पास ले जाएंगे तो ये बोलेंगे
अच्छा।
जैसे कि इधर लाओ. हेलो मैडम.
Hello.
ओके, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Nisha.
ऐसे.
Hello, madam.
Hello.
What is your name?
My name is Nisha and your?
ये हाथ आगे करो.
My name is Ayush. And how are you?
I'm fine and you?
I am good.
What about your qualification?
बोलिए I have done 10th and
I have done 10th.
या माइक आगे करके.
I have done 10th and 12th class.
And I'm waiting for
I am waiting for my result.
And I'm waiting for my result.
I am waiting for my result.
What is your dream?
Oh, what is your dream? That means you can make eye contact with her. You are nervous here
No, sir.
with her. You're comfortable with her. That means you don't have God's phobia. Have a seat, man. Thank you. You also sit. How are you, son?
I am fine, sir. Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Vinay Rawat.
Okay, where are you from?
I am from Uttarakhand.
Where are you living in Delhi currently?
I am living Delhi. I am living at Mandavli in New Delhi.
In New Delhi. That's great. What's your name?
My name is Vinay Rawat.
Okay, now stand like that. Okay. So, what is your qualification?
I have done complete BA first year and pursuing second year.
Okay, do you practice English at your home?
Yes, I practice English in my home.
Okay, do you belong to joint family or nuclear family?
I belong to nuclear family.
Okay, what's your family background?
I belong to middle class family.
I belong to a middle class family.
I belong to a middle class family.
Okay, how many siblings do you have?
I have 2 siblings.
Okay, do you have any sister?
No, I have not any sister.
That now tell me how many members are there in your family?
There are 4 members in my family.
Four.
There are 4 members in my family, including.
There are 4 members in my family.
There are 4 members in my family, including
Members?
me. There are 4 members in my family.
Okay, what does your father do?
My father is an income tax servant.
My father is an income tax servant.
My father is an income tax servant.
Okay, where does your father do job?
Yes, sir.
Uttarakhand or Delhi?
In Delhi. New Delhi.
Okay, that's great. Okay, now what do you think about campus?
सर बोल सकता हूँ
हाँ,
ऐसे
of course, you keep it.
सर ऐसे बोल सकता हूँ
ये ले लो, बोलो.
सो सर पहले अपना थोड़ा इंट्रोड्यूस कर
हाँ, of course.
Okay.
Now, firstly, just introduce yourself.
Firstly, I would like to introduce myself. You know that, friends, my name is Vinay Rawat. I am from Uttarakhand, but currently I am living at Mandavli in New Delhi. If I talk about my qualification, I have done complete BA first year and pursuing my second year. That's all about my qualification. Today, my topic is what is my thinking about Canopus. So you know that, friends, Canopus is sir near बोलेंगे ना, Canopus is nearby.
हाँ, बोलो.
Canopus is nearby Lakshmi Nagar metro station. First,
Gate number 2.
gate number 2. And if I talk,
ऐसे बता रहे हो?
if I talk about Canopus, so Canopus is a very good English institute, and their sir is very good because he provide me lots of activities. For example, debate competition and communication GD debates and many more. So that means Canopus is very good English institution.
Now that's great. Now firstly, देखो time तो है नहीं, थोड़ा बहुत और पूछ लेते हैं. Okay, do you practice English at your home?
Yes, I practice English in my home.
At my home.
I practice English at my home.
With whom do you practice your English?
I practice English with myself.
With yourself? You don't talk to the wall?
I practice
Have
English.
you ever tried to practice with wall?
No, sir. I practice English with myself for mirror.
In front of the mirror?
Yes, sir.
Really? Have you ever stood in front of the mirror?
Yes, I have practiced English in mirror.
Really?
Yes, sir.
So why are you getting nervous here standing in front of the camera?
Sir, I don't know any idea.
I don't have any
I
idea.
don't have any idea.
So you're just getting nervous here, no? I think that you are just
Little bit.
without mic, without camera, you speak very good. But in front of the camera, you are hesitating, you are murmuring, you are humbling, you are fumbling while speaking. This is not good, no, sir? If behind of the camera you can speak very good, so you should also speak in front of the camera.
I will
So okay, now have a seat, sir. I'm nervous time.